Welcome to Roshan Academy. Learn and succeed. Today I am going to present a revision on Ashuddhi Samshodhanam. That means correction of sentences. Here I have given you 35 questions. One by one I am going to explain, and if you understand all these, you don't worry about the examination which you are going to face. From this Ashuddhi Samshodhanam, you can score 3 marks without any tension. So learn well. Let's go for the first question. Saha Patham Pathasi. Saha Patham Pathasi. The incorrect word is Pathasi. Saha is Prathama Purusha and the verb also should be in Prathama Purusha. Ti Taha Andi. Ti Taha Andi. Saha is Ekavachana I told. So Pathati is the right word. Pathati. Saha Patham Pathati. And second question. Vayam Chitram Rajayati. The incorrect word is Rajayati. Vayam is Uttama Purusha Bahuvachana. So, Kriya should also be in Uttama Purusha Bahuvachana. Ami Avaha Amaha. Ami Avaha Amaha. Here, Vayam Chitram Rajayamaha is the right sentence. Vayam Chitram Rajayamaha. Ramaha, next question, third question is Ramaha Agachaha. Agachaha is Lang Madhyama Purusha. Lang Madhyama Purusha. Agachaha. Ekvachana, but Ramaha Prathama Purusha Ekvachana. So, Kriya also should be suiting for the subject Ramaha. Ramaha is Prathama Purusha Ekvachana. I told you in Lang Lakara Prathama Purusha Kriya Tam An. Tam An. That is in Lang Lakara. So, Agachat. 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 Agachan. Agachat. Agachat. Agachatam. Agachan. Agachat. Agachatam. Agachan. So the right sentence is Ramaha Agachat. And fourth question. Yuyam Hasanti. Yuyam Hasanti. Yuyam is Madhyama Purusha. What is Madhyama Purusha? Lat in Kriya. Si Tha Tha. Si Tha Tha. Yuyam is Bahuvachana. So Yuyam Hasatha is the right one. Fifth question. Lata Nrityasi. Lata Nrityasi. Nrityasi is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Lata Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. So, Ti Taha Andi. So, from Ti Taha Andi, Ti is suiting for Lata Nrityati. Lata Nrityati is the right sentence. Sixth question. Vrikshe Phalaha Santi. Vrikshe Phalaha Santi. At the first sight, you may be thinking that it is correct. But here you should bother about the object phalaha. Phalam is in Napumsaka Linga, you know. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalani is the plural of phalam, not phalaha. So, vrikshe, phalani, sandhi. That's the right one. And seventh question. Agnihi Shitala Asti. Shitala is wrong here. Actually, Shitala is in Strilinga. Shitala, Lata, Gita, like that. And Agnihi is in Pullinga. Pullinga Shabdaha, how will you understand Pullinga? Agnihi. Mostly in Pullinga Shabda, there will be Visarga. Agnihi, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Vrikshaha, Khagaha, Vanaraha, Arjunaha, like that. So, Shitala is Visheshana pada. Here, Shitala is the Visheshana pada of Agnihi. That is wrong. And it should be in Pullinga. So, Visheshana pada also in Pullinga. That is Shitalaha. So, the answer is Agnihi Shitalaha Asti. 8th question. Payaha Madhuraha Bhavati. Payaha Madhuraha Bhavati. Payaha means milk. Madhuraha is given in Pullinga. It cannot be like that because Madhuram is the Nabumsaka Lingapada. Madhuram. So, Payaha Madhuram Asti. That's the right one. Megham Akashe Garjati. Megham Akashe Garjati. Megha is the Pullinga pada, not Megham. Megham is wrong. So, Megha Akashe Garjati is the right one. Next question. Mama Mitraha Murkhaha Asti. Mama Mitraha Murkhaha Asti. Here, Mitraha Murkhaha is wrong. Mitram iti Nabumsagalinga Shabda. So, Mitram Murkham, that is the right one. Mitram Murkham. Here, Murkhaha is the Visheshana pada. Both Visheshana, Visheshya and Visheshana should be in the same linga. And so, and same Vachana also. So, Mama Mitram Murkham Asti. Mama Mitram Murkham Asti. That's the right one. And the next question, Dharmaha Acharaniyam. Dharmaha Acharaniyam. Acharaniyam is wrong here. Dharmaha Acharaniyaha. Dharmaha Acharaniyaha. That's correct. Both should be in the same linga. Next is Pavanam Vegena Vahati. Pavanam Vegena Vahati. Pavanam is wrong here. It's a Pullinga pada. So, it should be in Visarga. Pavanaha. Pavanaha is a Pullinga pada. So, Pavanaha Vegena Vahati. Pavanaha Vegena Vahati. That's right. Next question. Vrikshaihi Udyanaha Shobhate. Vrikshaihi Udyanaha Shobhate. Here, Udyanaha is wrong. Udyanam is a Napumsakalinga pada. So, Vrikshaihi Udyanam Shobhate. Vrikshaihi Udyanam Shobhate. Not Udyanaha. Next question. Sahasraha Janaha Dhavanti. Sahasraha Janaha Dhavanti. Sahasraha is wrong here. Sahasram is the right word. Example, Ekam, Dasham, Shatam, Sahasram, Ayutam, etc. should be used in Napumsakalinga. So, Sahasram Janaha Dhavanti. That's the right way. Next is Ramo Mama Snehapatraha. Ramo Mama Snehapatraha. Here Patram is a Napumsakalinga pada. You already learned it. Patram, Phalam, Chitram, etc. So, here Patram is the last word here. Snehapatram. So, it is wrong. Patram, Patre, Patrani. So, Ramaha, Mama, Snehapatram. That is the right one. Ramaha, Mama, Snehapatram. Next question. Sita, Ramasya Priyam Asti. सीता रामस्य प्रियम् अस्ति. सीता is a strilinga pada. So सीता रामस्य प्रिया. Here priyam is given. So it is priya. सीता रामस्य प्रिया अस्ति. That is correct. Next is बालः पुष्पान् त्रोडयति. बालः पुष्पान् त्रोडयति. Pushpam is a napumsakalinga pada. So pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Here balaha, ekavachana. And it should be used in dvitiya vibhakti because balaha pushpam trodayati. So pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Out of this, Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti are the same. Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani, Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. So Balaha Pushpam Trodayati. That is the right one. Lobham na karaniyaha. Next question. Lobham karaniyaha. Lobham, actually Lobham, we cannot say Lobham. It is Lobhaha. So Lobhaha na karaniyaha. Kyunki here it is given karaniyaha. So lobhaha na karaniyaha. Both should be used in the same linga. So lobhaha is the right one. Next question is nadyam jalaha nasti. Nadyam jalaha nasti. Here jalaha is wrong because jalam is a napumsakalinga pada. So nadyam jalam nasti. Nadyam jalam nasti. That is right. Next one is dhanigasya bhrityam patram anayati. Bhrityam is wrong because bhrityaha is a pullinga pada it is. So with bhrityaha it should be used like that. Bhrityaha patram anayati. Bhrityaha patram anayati. Bhrityaha pakam karoti. Bhrityaha bhojanam karoti. Like that we have to use. Here bhrityaha patram anayati or dhanigasya bhrityaha patram anayati. That is correct. Next question is ayam chitram tatra sthavaya. Ayam chitram. Ayam is wrong here. Keep this picture there. That is the meaning of that sentence. Ayam is wrong because ayam is used for pullinga padas. Ayam. Here chitram is napumsakalinga. So ayam balakaha, ayam vanaraha, etc. should be used like that. Here chitram is a napumsakalinga pada. So idam chitram tatra sthavaya is correct. Idam chitram. Next question is tam griheshu aham asmi. Tam is wrong here. Griheshu is in Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Bahuvachana. So Saptami Bahuvachana should be used as the Visheshan of Griha. That is Teshu Griheshu. Teshu Griheshu aham asmi. It should be like that. Next is Tat Balakaha Gachati. Tat is wrong here. Tat. Balakaha is a pullinga pada. So Saha is the pronoun used for Balakaha. Or otherwise Visheshana pada also we can use like that. Saha Balakaha Gachati. Next is Saha Phalam Khadasi. Saha Phalam Khadasi. Khadasi is for Madhyama Purusha. Saha Phalam Khadati. Ti taha andi should be used here. Ti. Saha phalam khadati. Next question. Tau chitram pashyati. Tau chitram pashyati. Tau is prathama purusha dvivachana. Saha taute. Prathama purusha dvivachana. So pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Here dvivachana is pashyataha. Tau chitram pashyataha is right. Next question is Tvam mama mitram asti. Tvam mama mitram asti. Asti is wrong here. Tvam is a Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. So Tvam mama mitram asi. Si thaha tha. So mama mitram asi. That is correct. Next is Sa kutra vasami. Sa kutra vasami. It's a question mark there. So vasami is wrong here. Sa is in Prathama Purusha Strilinga Ekavachana. That is ti taha andi should be used here. So sa kutra vasati. That is right. Sa kutra vasati. Next is aham dugdham pibati. Aham dugdham pibati. Aham is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. So ami avaha amaha should be used, no? Ami avaha amaha. Out of this, ami is for aham. So aham dugdham pibami is the right word. Next is bhavan kutra pathasi. Bhavan kutra pathasi. Here bhavan bhavantau bhavantaha. Bhavan bhavantau bhavantaha. In Strilinga, bhavati bhavatyau bhavatyaha. Very important part. Bhavan, bhavati, all these things you have to learn. And bhavan kutra pathasi. Both are in Prathama Purusha. So Kriya also should be in Prathama Purusha. That is bhavan kutra pathati. That is right. And bhavan, bhavati, etc. are used for giving more respect to a person and is used in Prathama Purusha. Bhavantau namanti. Next is bhavantau namanti. The same thing. In the last question I explained bhavan bhavantau bhavantaha. So here it is given bhavantau namanti. Here bhavantau is in Dvivachana. In Dvivachana. So bhavan bhavantau bhavantaha. Kriya should also be namataha. Ti taha anti. Taha is for Dvivachana. Understand? So next one is bhavantaha. The last one is given Bahuvachana. Bhavantaha khadati. Bhavantaha is Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachana I told. So bhavantaha khadanti. That is right. Next question, bhavati. Here also the same, bhavan, bhavati, like that. Bhavati guroho pustakam yachayati. Not yachayasi. Bhavati. Bhavati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. So bhavati yachayati is right. Because bhavati guroho pustakam yachayati is correct. Bhavati bhavatyau bhavatyaha. Next one is bhavatyau is given. Bhavatyau kutra vasathaha. Bhavatyau. For bhavatyau, prathama purusha dvivachana should be used. That means ti taha anti. Out of this vasataha. Bhavatyau kutra vasataha is right. Next one bhavatyaha. That is in Bahuvachana it is given. Bhavatyaha smarami. Bhavatyaha is Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. Bhavati bhavatyau bhavatyaha. So bhavatyaha smaranti, not smarami. Bhavatyaha smaranti is right. Next is taha satyam vadasi. Taha is Prathama Purusha. Sa te taha. That is Strilinga Pada. Sa te taha. Balika, balike, balikaha. Like that. So Kriya also should be in Prathama Purusha. That is ti taha anti. Anti is the Bahuvachana. The Kriya. So taha satyam vadanti. Taha satyam vadanti is right. So almost all not almost. All the 35 questions we answered here. Okay, children, if you practice like this, No doubt you will be able to answer any question under this topic of Ashuddhi Samshodhanam, that is correction of sentences. So do practicing. Good luck. Keep watching. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.